Create a new document. Insert the file name and title. Create the document and access the editor. Use the zoom tools to enlarge or resize the map. Choose the type of map to view. Trace lines and polylines. Create and associate a new layer. Assign a name to the inserted object. Or change its representation style. View or hide objects on the map. Add a polygon. Now create and associate a new layer. Assign an object name. Add a marker to the map. Use the fly to function to quickly locate the object on the map. Edit the previously defined layer. Edit its geometry. And representation style. Save the changes made to the single layer. And finally, save a draft version of the entire document.